Are we?
Some crazy ass bikes. Shit, deep as fuck, boys. What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As y'all know, it's American Cruise tonight, and we're having fun tonight. It's a Saturday night right now. It's deep as fuck out here, and we got hella cars, bikes, everything. Any cars you say, it's out here tonight.
Rev it!
Man, we got some clean ass cars, bro. This been...
What's up, lads?
Yo, look at all of this.
Hey, that guy's a ripping. Hey, ripping!
Oh, that shit crazy.
Mustang.
Bro, it's deep as fuck tonight, bro.
Look,
Hey,
look.
say hi to the say hi to the vlog, you know what I'm saying?
What's up, guys?
That's my boy
Today
Nico
we're
right
on
there.
American for a Cruise.
Yeah, today we're at American Cruise. It's Saturday night.
Rev
It's about to be
that
deep
shit.
as hell tonight.
Rev, rev, rev! Woo!
Alrighty, guys. As you guys know, American Cruise has plenty of fucking cops out here, and we just gotta drive safe. And nobody's doing some dumb shit. But yeah, here's my boy Kenan, and Kenan, say what's up to the channel. And yeah, we having fun tonight at least. But yeah, I got some cool ass cars out here. There's some cool ass cars over here, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing out here?
Nice car, bro.
Nice car. Nice car. Woo! Have a good day, love. I love so much. Woo! She's actually deep.
What? Honk if you're
I like your car. Rev it, rev it.
Yo!
I didn't enter that thing.
No.
Whoa! Can I get in the trunk? Hey, rev it.
That thing is clean, man.
Yo.
Yo, the parking up. Yo, what you doing?
Yo!
It's two of them, bro. It's a mini truck, bro. Backseat.
Yeah, where's that from?
I like your car.
Hit it. Yo, look at all this work.
Where do you go?
What's wrong with him?
You got a license? Oh, yo.
Yo, they're doing a burnout. Look.
Look at yours.
Dude, they're doing a burnout. Do a burnout, burnout.
Yo! Yo, play it for this. Damn.
12. On God, one day. On God.
Hey, tell him to rev it. He can't hear me. Hey!
Yo, GT400! Hit it!
Hey! His YouTube's on it.
I know, bro. Bro, that
Yes,
shit crazy.
YouTube.
That shit crazy.
On God? Hey, that's the headset. Yo, this is crazy. Yo. Hey, is that Rosebuds? Yeah.
Do a burnout! Do a burnout! Do a burnout!
He started laughing. Oh, hello. Oh! Hey, you saw that Corvette C6? The blue one. Go up the floor.
Hit it! Hit it!
Hey, Wahid, go!
Alright, boys. If you guys like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. My camera's about to die. I'm gonna record on my phone. Alright, guys. Here we go. So what are you gonna eat today?
Me?
Yeah.
What am I gonna do?
What are you trying to eat? What are you trying to
What
get?
am I trying to eat?
Yeah.
Trying to eat some pussy.
Oh shit! What are you trying to get?
I'm just trying to. I'm just trying to get some ice cream.
It's small and simple. Fuck, it's
Right
not
here.
focusing. It's not focusing. Oh, there we go.
You want one?
Yeah, I got one already. Thanks. Boys, welcome back into another video tonight. As y'all know, it's a Sunday night for American Cruise, and today we about to be lit. They got some crazy ass cars out. They got McLarens, maybe Lamborghinis. They got all type of cars you guys are looking for. And yeah, stay tuned for the more content.
Stay
Like and
tuned.
subscribe before we start. Yes, say, hey, yeah.
No, what the fuck?
Stop, bro.
Stop! What the fuck is wrong with you? Ugly!
John, that's John right here. Jewish John, yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Y'all enjoying this shit? What? You guys enjoying American Cruise? Hell yeah, hell yeah.
All right.
Yo, let's go.